Hi friends, welcomes all of you in my YouTube channel Mathematical Era. So today I am going to discuss a problem which is asked in CSIR Net June 2015 exam of section B and from the linear algebra. So the problem is, let V be the space of twice differentiable function on R satisfying f double dash minus 2f dash plus f is equals to 0. Then define a linear transformation T from V to R square by T of f is equals to f dash at 0 comma f at 0. Then T is, option number A is given 1 to 1 and on to. Option number B is given 1 to 1 but not on to. Option number C is given 1 on to but not 1 to 1. Option number D is given neither 1 to 1 nor on to. यानी कि एक लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन गिवन है और इस क्वेश्चन में हमसे पूछ रहे हैं कि जो लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है ये ओनली 1 1 होगा, ओनली ऑन टू होगा, 1 1 ऑन टू दोनों होगा, ना तो 1 1 होगा ना ही ऑन टू होगा। तो इस क्वेश्चन को करने से पहले सबसे पहले हम लोग सम डिफिनेशन को रिकॉल करते हैं जो इस क्वेश्चन को करने में यूजफुल होंगी। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी रिकॉल द डिफिनेशन ऑफ 1 1 एंड ऑन टू लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। सो 1 1 आर इंजेक्टिव लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। A linear transformation T from a vector space UF to another vector space VF is said to be 1 1 if T of alpha is same as T of beta implies alpha is same as beta. That is, अगर T of alpha is same as T of beta तो this will imply alpha is equals to beta। यानी कि अगर T कोई लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है फ्रॉम वेक्टर स्पेस UF टू अनदर वेक्टर स्पेस VF, अगर उसकी इमेजेस सेम हैं तो उसकी प्री इमेजेस भी सेम होनी चाहिए। और 1 1 ऑन टू के रिस्पेक्ट में मेरे पास दो रिजल्ट होते हैं, T इज 1 1 इफ एंड ओनली इफ नलिटी ऑफ T इज इक्वल टू 0 एंड सेकेंड वन इज T इज ऑन टू इफ एंड ओनली इफ रैंक ऑफ T इज इक्वल टू डायमेंशन ऑफ V, दैट इज डायमेंशन ऑफ कोडोमेन। यानी कि T अगर UF से VF कोई लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है तो अगर T 1 1 है देन नलिटी उसकी 0 होगी, और अगर T नलिटी उसकी 0 है तो T 1 1 होगा। एंड सेम सेकेंड रिजल्ट इज T ऑन टू है तो रैंक जो होगी डायमेंशन ऑफ कोडोमेन के बराबर होगी। अगर डायमेंशन ऑफ कोडोमेन रैंक ऑफ T के बराबर है तो T ऑन टू होगा। नलिटी इज डायमेंशन ऑफ नल स्पेस एंड rank is dimension of range space. So now come to the question. In question given that let V be the space of twice differentiable function on R satisfying f double dash minus 2f dash plus f is equal to 0. That is, the V is the space of all differentiable function which satisfies this differential equation. Actually this is a homogeneous differential equation of degree 2. So we know that the homogeneous differential equation forms the vector space। जो homogeneous differential equation का solution होता है वो एक vector space form करता है। तो first of all we determine the solution of this differential equation. What is the solution of this differential equation? Now take f double dash minus 2f dash plus f is equals to 0. We know how to solve a differential equation. So for this we take auxiliary equation m square minus 2m plus 1 equals to 0, and after solving this we get two values of m is equals to 1 comma 1. Hence the solution of this differential equation is given by fx is equals to c1 plus c2x e to the power x. Hence vector space becomes V is equals to c1 plus c2x into e to the power x such that c1 comma c2 member of R. Here c1 and c2 are two arbitrary constant. Hence dimension of V is 2. Now the linear transformation T from V to R square is given by T of f is equals to f dash at 0 comma f is equals to 0. अब जो linear transformation है हम लोग सबसे पहले उसको फाइंड करते हैं। तो f dash at 0 है, fx क्या है c1 plus c2x into e to the power x। तो f dash x क्या आएगा, फर्स्ट फंक्शन को ऐसे रखेंगे, सेकेंड का डिफरेंशियल करेंगे और e टू पावर x को ऐसे लेंगे और इसका डिफरेंशियल करेंगे तो आएगा c2, यानी कि फंक्शन आएगा c1 प्लस c2x इंटू e टू द पावर x प्लस c2 e टू द पावर x। सो f डैश 0 इक्वल टू, हियर 0 पुट करेंगे तो 0 हो जाएगा एंड हियर 0 C2 and from here C1, that is C1 plus C2, and f at 0, sorry, this will not dash, this only f at 0. F at 0 is equals to, when we put x is equals to 0, then we find f at 0 is equals to C1. This will be C1. Hence the linear transformation is T of f is equals to C1 plus C2 comma C1. Now to determine the function is 1 1, we have to determine the nullity of this linear transformation. So find the nullity of this linear transformation. First we find the null space of this linear transformation. Hence null space is given by NT, all those function f such that T of f is equals to 0, यानी कि वो सारे फंक्शन v के जिसके लिए उसकी इमेज जो है 0 हो. 0 क्या होता है? 0 is the additive identity of R square, that is 0 comma 0. So we take T of f is equals to 0 is T of f is equals to 0 comma 0, and we know the rule of TF is C1 plus C2 comma C1. So put this value C1 plus C2 comma C1 is equals to 0 comma 0. From here we find C1 is equals to 0 and C1 plus C2 is equals to 0. When we put C1 is equals to 0, in C1 plus C2 is equals to 0, we find C2 is equals to 0. That is the function is fx is equals to C1 plus C2 x e to the power x. If we put C1 is equals to 0 and C2 is equals to 0, then we find fx is equals to 0. That is null space is given by and t is equals to 0, which is a 0 space. And we know that the nullity of 0 space is equals to 0. Hence nullity of t is equals to 0. And we recall the result in starting the video that a linear transformation T is 1 1 if and only if its nullity is equals to 0. Because we find the nullity of T is equals to 0, hence the linear transformation T is 1 1. Now by the rank nullity theorem, we know that T from V to U is a linear transformation, then rank of T plus nullity of T is equals to dimension of domain, that is V. So here linear transformation is T from V to R square. So rank of T plus nullity of T is equals to dimension of V, this space. And the dimension of V is equals to, we find out 2. So put here 2, and nullity of T is equals to 0, we find out 0. So put here 0. Hence we get rank of T is equals to 2. Means rank of T is equals to 2, which is same as the dimension of R square. This will imply that rank of T is same as the dimension of R square. Means we know that if rank of T is dimension of codomain, then the linear transformation is onto, implies T is onto. Hence our answer is option number A, 1 to 1 and onto. Thanks for watching.